Alastair from the Drinking Man's Guide to Scotland, but today we are not in Scotland, we are in Northern Ireland. Specifically, we're in Belfast. A bit of a day out for the boys and their wives who are over here. And Christine will turn the camera around and we'll see them. Hello, hello wives. And Christine, who's filming this entire beautiful extravaganza. This is James, this is Kenny, and we are in the Crown Tavern trying to ignore our wives who are drunker than we are. The Crown Tavern is one of the best known pubs in the whole of Northern Ireland. Built in 1885, lots of stained glass windows, lots of carvings. It's now owned by the National Trust. In here you'll get locals, hen parties, a variety of life. In 1885, when the pub was getting built, a guy called Flannery owned the place, and he got the Italian craftsmen who were building the churches in the area to come and do all the stained glass and the carving. Yeah. And so all the lovely stained glass windows in the place and all the carvings were actually from the people who built the churches in the area. So very well worth a visit. If you're in Belfast, come along to this pub, enjoy a Guinness or whatever, and have a good time. That's right. So the next time, till the next time on the Drinking Man's Guide to Scotland, Slanjava.
Slanjava.
You get my fee in the post now.